Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I recently got this highlighter from Revolution. It's the Beam Bright Silk Touch highlighter. I got two shades to share with you, Diamond Glow and Rose Lustre. Diamond Glow, which is this beautiful pale white kind of gold shade. It's really stunning if you have a fair skin tone. And the other shade I have is Rose Lustre, which is way deeper than Diamond Glow. This caught my eye because I liked a baked formula, and this one has a little bit of a dome shape to it, so I assume it's a baked highlighter. It doesn't say anywhere that it is one, but I assume it has to be because of the shape. It comes in many different shades, so I believe you should be able to find something for your skin tone. I can recommend with all of my heart the Diamond Glow color. You have probably experienced that if you have a very fair skin tone, it's sometimes difficult to find a highlighter that really beams bright because it has to be something super light. But adding such a bright highlighter onto your face, it is insane how pretty it actually looks, and you really don't need a lot with this product because it is pretty pigmented, so when you swipe it on the skin, it has maximum impact almost immediately. And the formula is still so smooth, it's kind of crazy. Like, it looks like a wet highlighter on the face, but it doesn't have all that annoying glitter or too big of a shimmer. It's really a beautiful smooth formula for being a powder formula. Rose Lustre I also enjoy, but it has a little bit of, I would say, a base tone. Like, it leaves a little bit of a cast if I apply it too intensely on one spot. If I go with my brush kind of all over, it diffuses it better and it's not as noticeable. But as like a blush topper, a cool toned kind of blush topper, then it looks really fantastic. I just have to be a little bit more careful because obviously, as you can see, one is so much lighter. With this one, I can just go straight in and apply it into one spot or mix them together. That's another great way. And for eyeshadow, it's also really pretty. I don't have any highlighter on right now. I wanted to put it on camera. I'm using one of my favorite brushes. It's from Philly Millie. It's the 885. There's another brush similar to this on YesStyle from the brand 2AN. So I just like a little brush like this. I love to use this for my blush, which I did today. And that's what I'm going to use for this highlighter. Look at that nose tip. It's so highlighty without being too frosty. It's literally like the most beautiful glow that just comes from within. If I look really up close, it doesn't emphasize the texture more than you would expect in terms of, like, obviously it's makeup. It's going to look like makeup, but it's not chunky, weird shimmer or glitter. It really melts into the skin like a second skin. It's absolutely insane, and I love how light it is. You can really get that like K-pop idol glow. Like, they always have that very light nose tip, especially because of the shade. So if you have a deeper skin tone than I have, you would want to be a little bit more careful, but this could be beautiful again as an eyeshadow in a corner highlight. You can really emphasize certain areas with this shade. My cheek has a little bit of a natural glow just on its own. Add a little bit more to that. I'm not someone who likes to do like that striping motion. I like to look at where light naturally beams off of my face. So I apply it right here at the highest point. It doesn't come with the most product, like the amount that you get is not the biggest, but you also don't need a lot because it goes such a long way. So I believe this is going to last a pretty long time. A beaming highlighter like this, in my opinion, is your best friend when it comes to getting ready in the morning and wanting to look healthy and fresh-faced. Adding blush and glow is what I personally think makes you look the most fresh-faced, and there's no chance that with using this that you're not gonna look fresh. It's just so supple and juicy looking. I already have something in my inner corner, but I'm gonna put it on top so you can see how much more this can glow. You see, it's because of the shade, because the shade is so light. I've never had a highlighter look like this on me. The shade is just absolutely stunning. It just gives me everything I always wanted from the Mary Luminizer, from Champagne Pop, from Becca. It's just how it always looked on other people because they have a deeper skin tone. This is absolutely such a staple right now. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my hand. The funny thing is it doesn't even look that blinding on the hand, I feel. This is Diamond Glow, this is Rose Lustre. You can definitely tell that Rose Lustre has that little bit of a shadow because of the darker base tone. Beautiful as a blush topper or just applied like really diffusing it all over and not just pinpointing it in one specific area. And they just look wet. And I personally think they look even better on my face because the face is a little bit dewy from the rest of my makeup and my skincare. Really pretty and so versatile. Again, you can do so much with it. Highlight, eyeshadow, it's just beautiful. And this is how glowy the fingertips look after swatching. It's literally glass and wet looking without being chunky and unflattering. And that, you guys, finishes today's little review video. I hope the video was helpful in terms of what the formula is like and how it looks on a pretty fair skin tone. I would appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. That means so much to me, and I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, please take care.